Attention, over 60s. Windows 11 within reach. Do you feel overwhelmed by technology? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many of us, especially those over 60, sometimes feel lost in this digital world. But today, that's about to change. Windows May 11th seem like a challenge, but with the right guidance, it can be your best friend. Forget about stress and frustration. Get ready for a simple and hassle-free learning experience. Imagine booting up your computer seamlessly, navigating the Start menu with ease, and making video calls to your loved ones without any hassle. Sounds good, right? It's totally possible. This guide is designed to do just that, make Windows 11 accessible and easy for you to use. We'll walk you through it step by step, without any technical jargon or unnecessary complications. Forget complicated manuals and technical explanations. Here, everything is explained step by step, in clear and simple language. You'll learn at your own pace. To make reading even easier, we've used a large, clear font. You won't have to strain your eyes or squint. Comfort first. With this guide, you'll master essential Windows 11 tasks. From turning your computer on and off to video chatting with your grandchildren, you'll have it all under control. Worried about not knowing how to properly turn your computer on or off? Don't worry, we'll show you how to do it safely and without complications. It's easier than you think. The new Windows 11 Start menu may look different, but it's very intuitive. We'll guide you step by step so you can find everything you need in no time. Want to talk to your children or grandchildren who live far away? We'll show you how to make video calls quickly and easily. Stay connected with your loved ones. Security is important, and we'll show you how to protect your personal information with just one click. Keep your data safe and secure. This guide is specifically designed for beginners, seniors, and novice users. It doesn't matter if you've never used a computer before, you'll find everything you need here. You don't need any prior computer experience to use this guide. We'll start from scratch and guide you step by step. Anyone can learn. In addition to the essential tasks, we'll also reveal some hidden tricks and practical tips to help you get the most out of Windows 11. You'll amaze your friends and family. These tips and tricks will help you improve your user experience and make Windows 11 even easier and more fun to use. Discover everything you can do. Windows 11 offers a variety of accessibility features to help people with different needs. We'll show you how to use these features to improve your experience. If you have vision problems, Windows 11 Magnifier can be your best friend. We'll show you how to use it to magnify your screen and see everything more clearly. In addition to the magnifying glass, we'll also show you how to adjust your display settings to improve visibility. Customize your experience to make it as comfortable as possible. Technology can seem intimidating, but you don't have to be afraid of it. With the right guidance, you can master Windows 11 and enjoy all its benefits. Consider Windows 11 as an ally, not an enemy. It will help you stay connected to the world, learn new things, and enjoy life to the fullest. With Windows 11, you can connect with the world in ways you never imagined. You can read the news, watch videos, listen to music, and much more. The possibilities are endless. Most importantly, Windows 11 lets you stay connected with your loved ones. You can send emails, make video calls, and share photos and videos with ease. Don't be left behind. Enjoy the benefits of the digital age and discover everything Windows 11 has to offer. It's easier than you think. Remember, it's never too late to learn something new. No matter your age, you can master Windows 11 and enjoy all its benefits. We believe in you. Are you ready to start learning? Do you want to master Windows 11 and enjoy all its benefits? If so, leave us a comment below saying, "Yes, I want to learn." We want to know you're ready to embark on this digital adventure with us. We look forward to seeing you.